guys, welcome back to another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. Today we're going to take the final look at the 65 Ford Galaxie 500. We're going to see if we can't get the power steering to work and just do a couple other touch-up items on it. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell right next to it for your notifications, and click the like button. Thanks for watching. Alright, today we're going to replace the steering gearbox. This thing's leaking out of both the input and output seal, and it's leaking so much that the power steering doesn't work. So we're going to go ahead and replace that, and hopefully we'll have power steering. Alright, now we move to the bottom. Alright, here it is from down below. We have to take that big nut off to drop the pitman arm, and then there's 3 bolts that hold the gearbox to the frame of the car. And then it should come down. It's really dark under here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to film this or not, so you may just have to believe me. Alright, it's loose, now you just gotta pull it up. I have to pry the steering coupling off of it at the same time. And it's off. Might be a challenge to get out of here. may have to pop off one of the other arms here, but we'll see. Maybe it'll go up. We're going to try up. I'm not sure. It's going to be a challenge either way, so let's see what we can do. Up was the ticket. I'm just going to compare these two on the bench. So far, they look the same. I kind of looked at them when they dropped it off. It looks the same. I'm sure they have this set up in the center. So we're going to have to get this put back together that way. All right, I think they look the same, so I think we're in good shape. Alright, I think now we'll go down below and get it the rest of the way. Alright, let's try to position this down here. Alright guys, I just have to tighten that nut up yet. This thing was a bear to get in. I actually had to, I don't know if you can see it, right back up in there though. I actually had to trim the frame back a little bit because the holes are drilled just a little bit off center in this gearbox. I don't know if you can see it, which slid the gearbox just slightly toward the front of the car and it didn't fit. So there was a lot of swearing, it took a lot of time, but got it in. Alright, time to pour in a little transmission fluid and we'll see if the power steering works. Alright, it went down quite a bit. I think I'm going to start the car and making sure we're not pouring it out on the ground right now. So far so good. Take it out for a drive and see how it feels. Alright, for the Galaxie I got a new plastic piece that holds this trim on, so I'm going to go ahead and put this on. And it looks different. Supposedly it's the correct piece, it's an updated version, so hopefully it works. Yeah, the good thing is it screws on, so let's go try it on the car. Okay, this spring sits on the top of that, and then there's 3 pins on there that go into those grooves. So let me go ahead and see if this thing's going to clip on. Look at that, it worked perfectly. Basically all you do is you push it in, you rotate it, and then it snaps into place, and the horn works as it should. So this is awesome. Let me step back and I'll show you what it looks like at a distance. That makes the steering wheel look a whole lot better. Alright guys, we're going to talk about one of my pet peeves today, and that is window chalk or window paint. You may have seen it when we picked this car up. It had some on. You can still see it's got a lot of it on the window. I've worked over an hour getting this stuff off already, and it's still everywhere. I don't know if you can see it. It's on the paint. It's literally just everywhere on this car. Please don't use that stuff. It's crap. It's all over the paint back here yet. If anybody knows a good way to get that stuff off, I'm open to it. I've tried quite a few things. 409 seems to work pretty well, but you still just struggle. It still just takes forever to get it off. Alright, here's something we're going to take a look at in future episodes. It's a 1964 Ford F100, and this thing is super solid. If you look at this car, or truck, excuse me, there's basically no rust on this thing anywhere. Anybody want a little piggy bank? Alright, so keep watching, and we'll feature this vehicle real soon. Got a mouthful of junk.